Idaho State Dental Association treated dozens of Treasure Valley refugees to free checkups today at Genesis Community Health. In the process, one passionate dentist got to make great use of her native language. For many, going to the dentist can leave a bad taste in your mouth. For some, even a nerve-wracking experience you can't just brush off.
Everybody needs to be seeing a dentist on a regular basis.
But imagine, on top of that, having a dentist who speaks an entirely different language.
That can be a really tough barrier in a lot of situations, especially related to our health.
Or worse, you're uninsured or don't have the ability to pay.
There are people with different needs and they come from different socioeconomic backgrounds.
For the refugee population in Boise, this is not an uncommon experience.
And not everyone has that access to care. And it doesn't mean that they should just be pushed to the side and, hey, they'll figure it out.
That's why Idaho State Dental Association had several translators and volunteers show up Friday.
Today we're focusing on refugees.
At Genesis Community Health Clinic in Garden City.
So I got to, practice my Swahili.
The Kenya-born dentist spoke in her native tongue.
And that initial habari yako in Swahili makes the difference.
To Boise's refugees from East Africa, who she said made up most of Friday's patients.
Never thought it would come in handy, but it has.
Dr. Githu says she volunteers at the clinic roughly once a week. She says she's worked in corporate dentistry but finds community health like this more rewarding.
Maybe a small gift I may be able to give them, where it's a small service, but to them it's big, it's huge. It's like, thank you so much for getting me out of pain, for this relief. Thank you so much for caring for me and taking care of my need. So that's a lot more rewarding for me, I feel.
Genesis Health Clinic routinely offers free or low-cost health care to low-income, uninsured patients. Reps from Idaho State Dental Association tell me they host days like this several times throughout the year. In studio, Madeline White, 6 on your side.